Now let's see fifth question. A conical pit of top diameter 3.5 meter is 12 meter deep. What is its capacity in kiloliters? Okay students, conical pit. Conical pit, this is height, this is land height, this is radius. Okay students, here we are given with diameter that is equal to 3.5 meter, diameter 3.5 meter, and it's deep na? So height that is equal to 12 meter, height 12 meter. Okay, what is its capacity in kiloliters? In kiloliters, so we have to find the answer in kiloliters. Is it clear students? Good. For this we have to find capacity. Okay, so capacity of the conical pit, capacity of the conical pit that is equal to, what is the formula students? What is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi r square h. So that is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 pi r square h na, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into what is r here, we don't know. Okay, so diameter here 3.5 meter na, so that for r that is equal to 3.5 by 2, 3.5 by 2. Okay, so 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2, because r squared, into h12. Is it clear? Okay, here 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. Okay, 2. Okay, then 22 into 3.5 into 3.5. So by 7. Okay, so here 1 7s are 7, 5 7s are 35, so 0.5. Okay, that is 11.0 na, 11.0 into 3.5, so that is equal to 38.5 meter cube, 38.5 meter cube. Okay students, but answer we should write it in kiloliters. Okay, kiloliters. Already I have taught you 1 meter cube that is equal to 1000 liter. Okay, again 1 meter cube that is equal to 1 kiloliter, 1 meter cube that is equal to 1 kiloliter. Okay, so this is 38.5 meter cube, 38.5 meter cube. Okay, so 38.5 meter cube, that in liter, that is equal to, what is that, 38.5 into 1000, 38.5 into 1000 liter. Okay, so that is equal to 385, insert 3 zeros. Okay, so 38,500 liter. Okay, in kiloliter, what is the answer? In kiloliter, that is by 1000 na, so 38.5 kiloliter, 38.5 kiloliter. Here answer 38.5 meter cube and 38.5 kiloliter. Okay, in meter cube, in kiloliter, both are same answer. Is it clear students? Good. Then next question, students listen, next question. Let's move sixth question. What is the sixth question? The volume of a right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, find height, slant height and curved surface area. Okay students, so we are given with this information, diameter 28 centimeter, that for r that is equal to 14 centimeter, volume that is equal to 9856 centimeter cube. Okay, so what is the volume formula? 1 by 3 by r squared h. We have to find 3 subdivisions. What is first subdivision h, second subdivision slant height, third subdivision curved surface area. Okay, so 1 by 3 pi r squared h, that is equal to 9856. Is it clear? Okay, so using this formula we can find h value. Is it clear? Okay, good. Then therefore 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r squared into, what is r squared? 14 into 14 na, so 14 into 14 into h, that is equal to 9856. Is it clear? Here You can cancel it here also. You can cancel, okay, you can cancel it. 1 7, this is 2 na, okay, so this much only. 1 by 3 into 22 into 2 into 14, 28, okay, 28 into h, that is equal to 9856. You can do any method, no problem, okay students. Then that for h, that is equal to 9856 into 3 divided by 22 into 28, 22 into 28, okay. If you simplify it, and then this is to 1 4 na, 1 4, this is 4 9 2 8, okay. Then so here students, 2 11s are 22. Here this will be 4 11 44, then 52, 4 again 4, then 8 88 again 8, okay. And then here 1 14s are 14, this one 3 14s are 42, then 28 2, okay. So again 1 2s are 2, this is 16, okay. So 16 at last, 16 into 3, h, that is equal to 16 into 3, 48. So 48 centimeter, 48 centimeter, h, that is equal to 48 centimeter. Is it clear students? Then first subdivision is over. Second subdivision we have to find slant height, okay. Then listen students, second subdivision we have to find L, okay. Here R, that is equal to 14 centimeter, okay. H, that is equal to 48 centimeter, okay. We have to find L, okay. Already I have taught you using Pythagoras theorem, we can write L squared, that is equal to h squared plus R squared, okay. So L squared, that is equal to 48 the whole squared plus 14 squared plus 14 squared, okay students. Then students listen, L squared, that is equal to 48 the whole squared, 48 into 48, okay. This is 14 into 14, okay students. So therefore L, that is equal to root of 48 into 48 plus 14 into 14, okay. That is equal to 48 into 48, 2304 plus 14 into 14, 196. That is equal to root of 2500, okay. So 2500 students listen, 2500 and 25, 5 5s are 25, so 5 you can easily write 50. Otherwise you just take L division, 5 5 say 5 5s are 25, 0 0, then 500 10 10. Take one number out of these two numbers, okay. So 5 into 10, that is equal to 50, okay. So L, that is equal to root 2500, that is equal to 50. So L equal to 50 centimeter. So second subdivision is over. Is it clear? Then third subdivision you have to find curved surface area. Here R, that is equal to 14 centimeter, L, that is equal to 50 centimeter, okay. Then curved surface area, what is the formula? That is equal to pi RL. We have to curved surface area, that is equal to pi RL, okay. So just put the value here, 22 by 7 into R14 into 50, okay. 1 7 are 7, 2. So 22 into, what is that? 100, very good. 22 into 100, 2 into 50, 100. So that is equal to 2200 centimeter cube. The curved surface area of the cone is 2200 centimeter cube, okay students. Good. Next question. So next question, 7th, okay. Let's move 7th question. 7th question students, a right triangle ABC with sides 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Students listen, right triangle 13 centimeter, 12 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. I have drawn like this and I have written the measurements like this. Why? Because in right angle triangle, this is hypotenuse, big side. So 13 is here. Is it clear? I have written 13 here. Is it clear, students? Okay. Now is revolved about the side 12 centimeters. Find the volume of the solid so obtain. That means, students, listen. Revolved, that means okay, after that we have got a cone. Okay, we have got a cone. So for this solid shape we have to find the volume of the solid so obtained is. Okay, so students, listen. What is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r squared h. 1 by 3 pi r squared h. So that is equal to 1 by 3. Here r that is equal to 5 centimeter. R that is equal to 5 centimeter. Then height that is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay. So 1 by 3 into pi into 5. R in a 5 in a, so 5 into 5 h12. H12. Okay. So here 1 3, here 4. So that is equal to 5 5s are 25, 25 into 4, 100, 100 into pi, 22 by 7. Otherwise you can put 100 pi, but I think book answer is 100 pi. So 100 pi centimeter cube, 100 pi centimeter cube. The volume of the solid so obtained is 100 pi centimeter cube. Is it clear, students? Good. Then 8th question, students. If the triangle ABC in question 7 above is revolved about the side 5 centimeter. Same question 7 last we have seen that somewhere last question 7 question. Okay, in 7th question that is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Okay, but here is revolved about the side 5 centimeter. So I have drawn like this. Okay, 5 centimeter. So here height is 5 centimeter and radius is 12 centimeter. Okay, students. Then so find the volume of the solid of so obtained. Find also the ratio of the volumes of the two solids obtained in question 7 and 8. Okay, students. For this we have to find volume. Volume that is equal to 1 by 3 pi r squared h. 1 by 3 pi r squared h. Okay. So 1 by 3 into, you just put the pi same, okay, and then 12 into 12 because r that is equal to 12 into h that is equal to h equal to what centimeter? H is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, h is equal to 5 centimeter. Here h is equal to 5 centimeter. So h equal to 5. 1 4 that is equal to 4 into 12 into 5 60 into 4 6 4 are 24. So to 240 pi centimeter cube. Is it clear? Okay, now we have to find first subdivision over second subdivision. We have to find ratio of the volumes of the two solids obtained in question 7 and 4. So question 7 what is the volume? Volume that is equal to 100 pi. Okay, so question 8 volume that is equal to 240 pi. Okay, students. So now we have to find ratio that is 100 pi by 240 pi. Okay, cancel it. Then 10 by 24, then that is 5 by 12. So ratio is 5 is to 12. Is it clear, students? 5 is to 12. Good. Then 8th sum. Then 9th question. A heap of wheat is in the former a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter and height is 3 meter. Find its volume. The heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. Find the area of the canvas required. Okay, so students, listen. Diameter here, diameter d that is equal to 10.5 meter. Okay, so radius that is equal to 10.5 by 2 that is equal to 5.25 meter. Is it clear? Then height that is equal to 3 meter. So first you should find volume. That is equal to 1 by 3 pi r squared h. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 3 pi 22 by 7 into 5.25 into 5.25. Okay, 5.25 into h that is 3. Okay, if you simplify it you can get 86.86 okay, that is 86.625 meter cube. Is it clear? Then slant height also. So slant height L that is equal to root of What is that? L square that is equal to L square that is equal to H square plus R square, na? So L that is equal to root of H square plus R squared. So that is root of 5.25 the whole squared, because H R that is equal to 5.25 the whole squared R. Okay, H3. Okay, so plus 3 squared. Here this is R. Okay, this is R plus H, that is 3 squared. 3 squared. Okay, so that is equal to 27.5625 plus this is 9, that is equal to 36.5625. Okay, so we have to find the root of this number. How do you listen, students? Here L equal to root of 36.5625, na? In division method, how do you find it, students? Listen, 36.5625. Okay, take division. First take two number. Okay, 36, that is 6 into 6, 36. Okay, then subtract it. This is 0. Okay, then point is here, so I have put point here. Then you have to drop next to two number, that is 5, 6. Here you should add same plus 6. Okay, same 6. Then 6 plus 6, 12. Okay, then another you have to put some number. Here you have to put some number. 56, there is no choice to put another number, na? Because this is it will be 3 digit. Here 2 digit only. So 0, here 0. Is it clear? So 0 into this term, it will become 0. So 56 here. 56 minus 0, 56. Okay, here 0, you should add 0. You should add 0 here. Then this will be 120. Okay, then again you have to drop another two number. Okay, here next number, just try. What is the number? Take 4. Okay, 4 into 1204, that is 4816. You should subtract it. Then you have got 809. Okay, and then we have to put another two. You have to drop another two number. 0, 0. 0, 0. Okay, here you should add 4 here. Then 1208. Here some number. Here there will be some number. What is that? Take 6, 6. Put 6, 6. Okay, then at last 72516. Then if you subtract it, 8384. Students, listen, it is going on. It will be going on. Okay, so you have to stop it. 6.046. Approximately you can write 6.05. Is it clear? Good. So L that is equal to 6.05 meter approximately. Okay, students. Then curved surface area. Okay, curved surface area. What is the formula? Curved surface area, that is equal to pi RL. Pi RL. Okay, students, that is equal to 22 by 7. R value, what is R here? 5.25. 5.25. Okay, 5.25. Okay, into L, that is 6.05. If you simplify it, you can get the answer. Students, listen. 99.825 meter square. The area of the converse record is 99.825 meter square. Is it clear, students? Once again I repeat it. Here at last we have to find area of converse record. Okay, so for this you have to find curved surface area, pi RL. This is cone, this is cone. So you have to find find curved surface area. Okay, so that is pi RL. If you put the values in this formula, then at last you can get 99.825. This is the correct answer. Is it clear, students? Good. Thank you, students.